Hey guys, Shane Garrison here at the beautiful Kia Hamilton. I'm bringing you today the 2021 Kia Sorento. This is the SX model, so top of the line, fully loaded. We're gonna go over every feature today in this beautiful car. Comes well equipped with a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder turbo engine, 281 horsepower, so it does have enough power to get in and off those highways. We'll go over absolutely everything. We're gonna give you a nice exterior view of the vehicle right now. So starting from the front, completely redesigned. Got the beautiful black grille on the SX. You'll have the nice LED daytime and headlights, also with the LED fog lights. Beautiful aggressive look to that front grille. You'll have that forward-facing camera, forward collision avoidance, all of the top safety features included in the SX. As you come around to the side of the vehicle, one of my favorite features with the black on black is the 20-inch machined black alloy wheels. Beautiful wheels to go with that black. You'll have the nice dark accented chrome pieces around the windows as well to kind of go out with that black features. Beautiful, beautiful job. As you come to the rear, this is my favorite part of the redesign. Completely redesigned the whole rear end of the vehicle, the whole vehicle actually. You have that beautiful Sorento badging there, all chromed out, and of course the SX badging in the rear. You'll have the power liftgate, also the smart liftgate with the SX Turbo, so all you need to do is once the vehicle is turned off, just come right to that right hand side. The trunk will actually open right up for you. Really nice feature. As we open the trunk, new spot there as well. Lots of space in the rear. So with those seats folded down, ample room. As we bring the seats up, sits comfortably. You got captain's chairs in the rear, some chairs in the back there as well. As far as popping them down, very easy. You just hit this little lever right there to lock into place. You also have USBs, fast charging USBs on both sides. So if you got kids in the rear, you have your own air functions as well. And what's a really nice feature is there's actually speakers. So if you're in the front and you need to speak to your kids in the back, they'll actually be able to hear you out the speakers. And then really nice feature is, say you're in the back and you need to pop those seats down, touch of a button, those seats will go right flat to give you even more space in the rear there. Really nice feature as well with the smart push button key is, of course, you'll have all your lock unlock, but you have a built-in remote start. So all you do is you just hold that button, starts right up for you, hold it to shut it off, built right into the key fob, no extra, nothing. So as we come around to the front, we're gonna hop in the front passenger seat. We're gonna go over a few of the features as far as the interior. I just wanted to show you guys the red leather. So this right here just pops up pretty easy, but beautiful leather seats, red leather interior. You'll have an actual 115 volt there if you do need to plug anything into the rear, of course, with more USBs. They have them built into the seats as well. So USBs everywhere for the kids, 2021 with their iPads. We got the built-in sunshades if you do have the kids in the back as well. So really nice feature there. They just pop up and hook there. You'll have the heated rear seats in the SX model. So not just the air-cooled and heated fronts, but you'll also have the heated rear seats there. Now we're gonna hop inside. I'm gonna show you some of the features as far as the interior of the vehicle as well. So as we take a look at the interior of the vehicle, brand new again, redesigned on the inside. You have a 10.25-inch screen as far as your display here. Very easy. You have your built-in navigation. You have, of course, your radio, Sirius satellite radio, HD radio. Very nice setup there. When you pop it in reverse, you'll have your 360 camera. So you have your backup camera, and then of course your 360. It'll show you where that car is turning as well, which is nice, so it kind of gives you a nice guideline. If we take a look down to the new display down here, you'll have, like I was mentioning, your cooled seats. You'll notice them blue. You'll have your heated seats, notice them red. Your USBs, of course your wireless charger in the front. And then right down here, we have your heated steering wheel. Really cool features as far as your drive modes. So you'll have your snow, mud, and sand for the terrain. Drive mode, you have your comfort, eco, sport, and smart, all just with the touch of a dial there for you. So depending on where you're driving, you're covered in every situation there. With the SX, you have that nice two-tone steering wheel to match that red leather interior. And one of my favorite parts is the new cluster. So we got the cluster there. What's really nice is when you go into the setup here, you can actually change a few things with the display. So if you go to the display, we have all of our different illuminations and lights there. Everything's all listed here for you. Very easy. Really cool feature as well is if you have your kids in the back, if you're talking right now, that speaker in the back, like I was mentioning, it transfers all of the sound to the back, so you don't gotta yell at your kids. You can just speak to them right at the front here. And really nice layout, all touchscreen here for you guys. User profiles, you can switch everything with user profiles. The vehicle will go through all of the safety features. So this comes fully equipped with everything: blind spot, lane departure, lane keep assist, forward collision avoidance, rear cross traffic alert, smart cruise control, everything you could think of, this vehicle will have. You can go through, you can adjust it to absolutely everything that you want to kind of tailor to your preferences. It will all save to your user settings as well. Really cool feature is the cluster. You can actually change the theme. So if you take a look at the standard cluster there, I'm gonna get in and we got B, we got C, and then we also got D. I'm sure there's a few other ones that you can grab as well, but it does give you a few different custom options. So you can really, like I said, fine tune it to your preference, your styles, and they'll all save right to your user setting. So really nice. You'll have your dual climate control. Again, all touchscreen, very sleek and nice as far as the access. You can have your hot over here, cold over here. No fighting for controls. And that's it, that's all. We have, of course, the UVO. So all built in right to your phone, remote start, towing, roadside assistance, anything that you need, all at the touch of a button here. And as Mike looks up, we have that beautiful panoramic sunroof as well. Okay guys, we're gonna get out. We're gonna give you one nice overview of the vehicle again. This is the 2021 Kia Sorento SX black with the red interior. They do have a couple different color combinations. Feel free to give us a call and come for a test drive. Thanks. That was